The U.S. Coast Guard says it has found 5 large pieces of wreckage from the Titan submarine. Based on the observation of these pieces, the authorities say that Titan was most likely crumpled and crushed by external pressure and then disintegrated. At the same time, the identity of the occupants of this small submarine, which went to the depths of the Atlantic Ocean to visit the remains of the Titanic, has been announced. The 5-person submarine Titan was launched on Sunday to travel deep into the sea to visit the wreckage of the Titanic, shortly after losing contact with the mothership. Thursday evening, June 1, 2022, Admiral John Mauger of the U.S. Navy told reporters that the search vessel Horizon Arctic was able to find parts of the Titan's bow and funnel, and then found other parts of the submarine's wreckage. The headquarters of this investigation said that the discovery of the remains of the Titan was immediately reported to the family members of its passengers. As experts say, implosion occurs when the submarine is unable to withstand the external pressure and first crumples into itself and then disintegrates.